Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Kali Linux comes packed with 300+ tools, out of which many are used for vulnerability analysis. Though there are many tools in Kali Linux for vulnerability analysis, here is the list of most used tools. Have you ever wondered how security researchers find weaknesses in computer systems? It's a fascinating process that combines technical skill with creative problem solving. It's about making the digital world a safer place, one system at a time. Every vulnerability they find and fix is a step towards a more secure digital environment. This guide will introduce you to the exciting world of ethical hacking using a powerful tool called Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a specialized operating system designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Don't worry if you're new to this. We'll start with the basics and gradually explore more advanced concepts. You'll learn step by step, ensuring you build a solid foundation. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So we'll also emphasize the importance of ethics throughout this journey. Ethical hacking is not just about technical skills. It's about using those skills responsibly to make the world a safer place. Kali Linux is the go-to toolbox for many ethical hackers. It's a powerful platform that provides a comprehensive suite of tools for security testing and digital forensics. Imagine a mechanic's toolbox, but instead of wrenches and screwdrivers, it's packed with hundreds of specialized tools for testing and analyzing computer systems. Each tool is designed to perform a specific task, from network scanning to password cracking. Kali Linux is a special operating system designed specifically for penetration testing, which is a fancy way of saying ethically hacking to find vulnerabilities. It's used by security professionals to identify and fix security issues before malicious hackers can exploit them. Why is Kali Linux so popular? Because it comes preloaded with a vast array of security tools, saving you the hassle of finding and installing them individually. This makes it incredibly convenient for both beginners and seasoned professionals. These tools are organized into categories, making it easy to find the right one for the job, whether you're scanning a network for open ports or testing a website for security flaws. The intuitive interface helps streamline the process, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. But Kali Linux is more than just a collection of tools. It's a complete environment designed for security professionals and enthusiasts. It offers a robust platform for conducting thorough security assessments and learning about cybersecurity. It's based on Linux, a powerful and flexible operating system known for its stability and security. This foundation ensures that Kali Linux is both reliable and secure, making it a trusted choice for security experts. Don't worry if you're new to Linux. We'll guide you through the setup process step by step. With our help, you'll be up and running in no time, ready to explore the powerful capabilities of Kali Linux. Before you can start hacking, ethically of course, you need a safe and controlled environment to practice in. Imagine a scientist working with dangerous chemicals. They wouldn't do it in their kitchen. Similarly, you'll need a dedicated space to experiment with Kali Linux and its tools without risking damage to your main computer system. The best way to do this is to set up a virtual machine. Think of it as a computer within your computer, completely isolated from your main operating system. You can install Kali Linux on this virtual machine and use it to your heart's content without affecting anything else on your computer. There are several free virtual machine software options available, such as VirtualBox and VMware Player. Once you've chosen your preferred software, you can download the Kali Linux image file from the official website. The installation process is straightforward, and there are plenty of online tutorials to guide you. Now that your Kali Linux virtual machine is up and running, it's time to get your hands dirty with some actual hacking tools. Kali Linux comes pre-installed with a variety of powerful tools designed for penetration testing and security research. Let's start with Nmap, one of the most fundamental tools in a hacker's arsenal. It's widely used by network administrators and security professionals alike. Nmap stands for Network Mapper, and as the name suggests, it's used to map out networks and identify devices connected to them. This can be incredibly useful for understanding the layout and security posture of a network. Imagine you're a detective trying to gather information about a suspect's house. You might look for open doors and windows, right? These entry points could give you clues about the house's security. Nmap does something similar in the digital world. It scans a target system or network for open ports, which are like digital doorways that allow communication between devices. Identifying these open ports is crucial for understanding potential vulnerabilities. To use Nmap, you simply open a terminal window in Kali Linux and type in the command Nmap followed by the target IP address or domain name. This command initiates the scanning process. Nmap will then send out probes to the target and listen for responses. These probes help Nmap gather information about the target system. Based on these responses, Nmap can tell you which ports are open, what services are running on those ports, and even the operating system of the target device. This information is invaluable for both offensive and defensive security measures. With this knowledge, you can better understand the network structure and potential vulnerabilities. So, let's dive in and start exploring the capabilities of Nmap. Happy scanning. Section 5. Unmasking websites with Nikto. Websites are often the first point of contact for businesses and organizations, making them prime targets for attackers. Nikto is a powerful tool designed specifically for finding vulnerabilities in web servers. It's like a security guard that checks for unlocked doors, broken windows, and other potential weaknesses in a website's defenses. Unlike Nmap, which scans for open ports, Nikto focuses on the web server itself, looking for misconfigurations, outdated software, and known vulnerabilities. It crawls through a website's directories and files, testing for a wide range of potential issues. To use Nikto, you would open a terminal window in Kali Linux and type in the command Nikto followed by the target website address. Nikto will then launch a series of tests against the website, looking for any signs of weakness. The results of a Nikto scan can be overwhelming, but don't worry. We'll guide you through interpreting the output and identifying the most critical issues. Section 6. Deeper dives with OWASP ZAP. While Nmap and Nikto are great for getting a general overview of a target system's security posture, sometimes you need to dig deeper to find subtle vulnerabilities. That's where OWASP ZAP comes in. ZAP stands for Z Attack Proxy, and it's a powerful web application security scanner designed to find vulnerabilities in the applications that run on websites. Think of a website like a house. Nmap and Nikto might tell you if the front door is unlocked, but OWASP ZAP can help you find hidden trapdoors, loose floorboards, and other vulnerabilities that an attacker could exploit to gain unauthorized access. OWASP ZAP works by intercepting and modifying the traffic between your browser and the target website, allowing you to manipulate requests and responses to test for vulnerabilities. It's a more interactive tool than Nmap or Nikto, requiring a deeper understanding of web applications and how they work. Section 7. Advanced Tools on the Horizon. As you delve deeper into the world of ethical hacking, you'll encounter a vast array of specialized tools, each designed for a specific purpose. Some tools, like Metasploit, provide frameworks for exploiting vulnerabilities, allowing you to simulate real-world attacks in a controlled environment. Others, like Wireshark, enable you to capture and analyze network traffic, giving you a granular view of how data flows between systems. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging all the time. As an ethical hacker, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest tools and techniques. Don't be overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools available. Start with the basics, master the fundamentals, and gradually expand your knowledge and skills. The journey of an ethical hacker is one of continuous learning and exploration. Section 8. Never stop learning resources for ethical hackers. The best ethical hackers are lifelong learners, always seeking to expand their knowledge and skills. Luckily, there are tons of resources available to help you on your journey. The official Kali Linux website is a great place to start, offering documentation, tutorials, and the latest news. Online communities are another invaluable resource. Websites like Reddit and Stack Overflow have dedicated subreddits and forums for ethical hacking, where you can connect with other enthusiasts, ask questions, and share your knowledge. And if you're serious about pursuing a career in cybersecurity, consider getting certified. Certifications like the Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, are highly respected in the industry and can demonstrate your skills to potential employers. Remember, the world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, so make it a habit to stay updated on the latest threats, vulnerabilities, and mitigation techniques. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey begins. Congratulations. You've taken your first steps into the exciting world of ethical hacking. You've learned about Kali Linux, a powerful operating system designed for penetration testing, and explored some of the fundamental tools used to find vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. Remember, ethical hacking is about using your skills for good to make the digital world a safer place. Always obtain proper authorization before scanning any systems, and never use your knowledge for malicious purposes. The journey of an ethical hacker is one of continuous learning and exploration. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and use your skills to make a positive impact on the world. Good luck and happy hacking.